Hello guys, we use my phone Tecno POP 7, this version 2GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, open box. In completion we have device in the blue color. And another completion. Adapter for charging, micro USB cable, key for SIM slot and protected back cover. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side we have a double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display. Okay, power button and volume buttons on this side. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. We have HD display, HD resolution, HD plus. About system, we have high OS version 11.0.0, Android 12. Look into the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark results. Close this. And run the demanding game GTA San Andreas. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.